So why are you crying now? Why are you crying? Tell me. Zoe, why are you crying? Tell me now, you're not talking now? Huh? Why are you crying? Because you don't know how to talk to mommy? Huh? You're asking mommy a favor, but you don't know how to talk. So how? If you need something from mommy, you have to talk mommy. Can you teach me how to do this? Huh? Like that. Not, mommy, how to do this? Mommy, how to... You trying to make mommy angry. And I'm teaching you, you're not listening. So why now you're crying now? Do you angry with mommy? Are you mad now, huh? So why are you crying now? I thought you're a strong girl. Huh? Because for your friends, you are going to cry like that. Huh? Do you want mommy will not send you school anymore? You want? Because you're getting bad every day. You want that? Huh? So why are you like that? Tell me, answer me now. Why are you crying? If you want mommy love you, if you want mommy will not angry to you, you have to be a good girl. Understand? Before, you know you're a very nice girl. When you was until 7 years old. You start 8 years old. You're like that already, Zoe. You see? Now you don't want to talk, huh? You don't want to talk now? Give me that number. I will tell to Sydney. I will message Sydney to don't make group chat because Zoe may cry. This makes Zoe cry. Give me that number. Oh, see, you don't want? Don't use mommy phone anymore, huh? You cannot use mommy more my phone, huh? Every time you cry, I told you be strong, Zoe. Not like that. Oh, go na. You sleep na there. You go toilet first there. Go. You're not listening to mommy. That's why mommy angry to you. You see, I will show this to daddy later. That you're crying. Just because of number. I will show this. That's why I'm recording now. You want Ashby follow you? That's why you're showing like that always? Huh? If you want mommy, if you want to ask something, mommy, can you please help me? Because I want to make a group chat. Then, how to do this? Like that. Okay? So, I will teach you properly. Not like you are shouting, mommy. I'm your mommy, Zoe. You're not you don't respect mommy. Huh? Why you not respect mommy, huh? Huh? Why don't you respect mommy? Huh? Answer me. Why you talking that way to mommy? Oh, why you not talking now? You see? Oh, answer me now. You see you want mommy angry again. So why you talk that way to mommy? What you don't know? Why you like angry to mommy?
I'm not angry.
Yeah, but why your voice is like angry, and then why you're like showing like mommy not that, like no, it's not Anna, it's not Sydney like this. Why you talk that way? Why you not telling to mommy properly that mommy, this is our numbers, this is my friend numbers, I want to make a group chat in WhatsApp. Can you help me to do this? Like that, not like your mommy, like this.
I want to wash face first.
You want to wash your face? Okay, you wash your face. So, don't do that again, huh? Mommy love you so much. That's why mommy angry to you. That's why mommy teaching you. So, don't do that, okay? Promise? Okay, be a good girl, ha? Okay, now you hair tie your hair. Ouch! Ang sarap ng tama. Ouch! Ouch! So happy ang baby. Oops! Oops! Ouch! Oops! 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 Ano, not like that. Ouch! Ouch! Oh, teary eye already. Ouch! Slow down. Slow down. Because she's too much happy. That's why she cried. Ouch! Oh my God, guys. Look at her. Ashby is already transferred to that chair. Oh my God. Oh my God. Anak, can you take your sister? Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my God, my God, my God. Go down, go down, go down. My goodness, this baby. So naughty. Oh my God, I'm so stressed na.